Welcome to episode 2 of the food section of Variety is the Spice of Life. Today, we're unlocking one of India's most beloved restaurant dishes, the creamy, decadent, melt-in-your-mouth Malai Kofta. You may think making it at home is difficult, but by the end of this video, you'll realize it's not only possible, it's surprisingly simple. So get your aprons ready, because today, you're going to master Malai Kofta like a professional chef. Most people believe Malai Kofta belongs only in restaurants. Too creamy, too rich, too complex. But here's the truth, once you learn the science behind each step, you'll never look at restaurants the same way again. Today, Malai Kofta moves from restaurant into your kitchen. Malai Kofta is India's royal potato paneer dumpling curry. Soft kofta balls floating in a mildly sweet, creamy gravy made from tomatoes, cashews, and spices. A single bite gives richness, softness, silkiness, and spice harmony, all at once. Great Malai Kofta begins with great ingredients: dry potatoes for binding, fresh paneer for fluffiness, tomatoes for tang, and cashews for creaminess. These aren't just ingredients, they are flavor pillars. The biggest secret: avoid water in your kofta dough. Mash potatoes warm, grate paneer fine, mix gently, shape softly. Overmixing destroys texture. Treat the dough like a cloud, not clay. Oil temperature controls destiny. Too hot, they burn outside, stay raw inside. Too cold, they absorb oil and collapse. Golden brown in 2 to 3 minutes is the magic point. Remove them while they still whisper softness. This gravy is culinary engineering. First ginger garlic paste for aroma, then onion curd paste for depth, then tomato spice paste for body, and cashew paste for silkiness. Slow cooking makes everything marry together into royal creaminess. And now comes the crown: fresh cream. Pour gently. Watch the gravy turn pearl white, silky, shiny, rich. This is the moment Malai Kofta becomes Malai Kofta. Place your golden koftas in a bowl and pour the hot gravy over them. Watch them slowly sink and absorb flavor. Finish with cream and kasuri methi. That restaurant aroma. That's yours now. Serve Malai Kofta with naan, jeera rice, or saffron pulav. Store gravy and koftas separately for perfect texture next day. Want healthier? Air fry the koftas. Want richer? Add saffron. Want South Indian fusion? Coconut milk works wonders. You just unlocked a dish most people never dare to make at home. For complete details, please visit our blog post. The link is available in the description. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your results, and let's inspire more home kitchens to conquer restaurant-style classics. See you next week for more culinary magic.